Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Mini Countryman with a manual key. First, you'll need to access the manual key itself. It's cleverly hidden inside your main key fob. Look for a small release button or tab on the side of the fob. Press or slide it, and the manual key will pop out, ready for use. This is crucial for situations where the electronic key isn't working. Now that you have the manual key, you can unlock your Mini Countryman's door. The keyhole might be a bit hidden, usually on the driver's side door handle. You might need to gently pry off a small cover to reveal it. Insert the manual key all the way in, turn it to unlock the door, and then remove the key. You're now inside your vehicle. With the door unlocked, the next step is to start the engine. Your Mini Countryman has a specific spot for the manual key, often a slot in the dashboard or a designated area near the Start/Stop button. Insert the manual key into the slot or hold it very close to the Start button. Then, while pressing the brake pedal, push the Start/Stop button to fire up the engine. This bypasses the electronic system. Remember, if you're using the manual key, it often indicates an issue with your key fob's battery. Consider replacing the battery as soon as possible. It's also a good idea to practice this manual starting process once or twice so you're prepared if an emergency arises. Always refer to your Mini Countryman's owner's manual for any model-specific instructions or additional tips. Stay safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.